Hello and welcome to the Microsoft Excel application course. We will continue with the formatting text, layout and design topic, and in this video we'll focus mainly on working with page setup. So we'll show you how to change the margins, page orientation and header and footer in Excel. So we will go ahead, we will open a workbook and show you how to do these things. So in order to change these margins and setup, you go to, let's say, the page layout menu. Yes, and under the page layout menu on page setup you can click this. Of course you can do some of these things here, but I would rather go through the normal route. Click the arrow, you get a dialog box. So now you're on page tab. Currently the page you have is portrait, which means it's straight and not wide. You can also change it to a wide one if you want, but I'll keep it to portrait. So this is just to show you how you can change it. And I go to margins. So I want to increase or decrease the space between the text and the top margin, or the text and the left margin of my document or worksheet, and also for the right and the bottom one. And if I do have headers and footers, I can also, determine the spaces they are from the top and the bottom respectively of the worksheet. So I can just click this or just decrease. So you can practice on your own and see what it looks like. And when you do that, you can also do print preview to look at what it looks like, but we will not do that now. We can also look at header and footer, and you can select what kind of header you want here by dropping down, and you say maybe page 1, and you can go to the footer and you can say confidential, and something like this, the center. And when you're done, you can also choose several options on the first page or the odd and even page, but for now we will leave all that and simply say OK. Now you don't see it here because it's applicable to the page. Let's see, we can go to print, and is there a preview? Let's say print, and then you can see now in the preview what we added as header and footer. And the margins you cannot see because, again, that is how it is in Excel. But this is how you can change the page setup for your worksheet. Excel is a little bit tricky when it comes to that, and that's why many people prefer to use Microsoft Word for normal documents and Excel for financial related calculations by using only the cells. So we go back, and that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.